Okay, so it's Sunday. That means it's time to meal plan. Yes, I am wearing my Iowa State sweatshirt because it's gross. It is gross here. It is rainy. It's like 35 degrees. It's ucky. It's just ucky. Okay, so here's my original idea. Do a meal plan that I saw in an ad for Aldi. It didn't quite work out that way. But I've done a great job cleaning out my fridge. In fact, I think I have some carrots in there. I have some meat defrosting because I was going to do some freezer meals, and I'm even out of milk except for almond milk. I have some leftover chili that's going to be part of our dinner tonight. So now I've got to get creative. Poop. So let's go to the fridge. Well, I'm going to take you to the fridge. So I know that is leftover cornbread from the other night. That is leftover chili that we're having for dinner tonight. I got my husband some of his favorite Reese's. And what we're going to do with the chili is make nachos, so that should be gone fairly soon. I got some coffee. I have some almond milk, coffee creamer, almond milk. Let's move this around. I did get some salted caramel apple cider. Yeah, it's totally. I got some gluten-free bread. I got some chicken nuggets back there. Why are these here? Oh. I got some carrots, some cheese, shredded cheese, blocks of cheese. I got some chicken thigh, and this will be our protein for the week. Chicken thigh, this will be our protein for the week. I do have some eggs, and I have some ham, beef stew meat, I could do this. Ooh, I got fried up ground beef. I have tons of frozen veggies, and smoothie packs, and I have a couple things of smoothie packs. These are frozen burritos. I tend to have those for lunch. Some tomato paste, and I have a freezer meal downstairs. Yeah, so while my initial plan didn't work, I got this. I don't know if you knew this, but we are a household of 2. So that means I always have leftovers. Always. Like, seriously, always. So, anyway, we're going to do this. Okay, so that's today. What we're going to do is make nachos. We're going to do this way. Nachos with queso. Leftover chili. That I made last week with some smoked pork I found. It was delicious. But it's always more than what we can eat in like 2 days. Here, I'm trying to think of what I have going on. I don't have anything that I know of. We will do orange chicken. I've been with stir-fried vegetables. I know I have that because that is and rice. And stir-fried veggies are something we almost always have in the house, but if not, I have lots of frozen veg, so that's good. And that will be leftovers because we almost always have leftovers. And then on Wednesday, I have a freezer meal. So it's a pasta bake. And so we will do that. And that will be leftovers on Thursday. Pretty much, this is how we're gonna do. And then on Friday, I have chicken to grill. Grill or bake. And I know, I just looked up on my counter, I have an acorn squash. So there it is. And you'll be able to see acorn squash. There's my horrible handwriting. That's what we'll have. And frozen veg of some sort. And I think with this pasta bake, we'll have a salad. And then Saturday, we always go out. Crisis averted. Okay, it's not really a crisis, but hey, I figured something out. We've got meals planned for the week. And since we're a family of 2 and a dog who gets people food because we're bad parents, yay, we did it. All right, so if you guys like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe. There? Or is it there? I can never remember that. Comment below if there's anything that you would like to see here. Well, all right, thanks. Bye.